guys, today we're going to be showing you guys our slime collection.
Yeah, guys.
We're here with Keisha and Aham.
Come on.
And me.
This is dried out, so it's going to look like this.
We're not going to be showing you guys the ones that dried out. So yeah. Here's this one. It's just pretty jiggly, and yeah, it's pretty jiggly. Jiggly. And yes, it could make bubbles because we added we didn't add foamy hand soap, but we just add soap. Regular soap. That's that. We're gonna be showing you guys like a lot of close-ups. So yeah, that's that. It's pretty white, but it's actually blue. You guys can see it from far. That blue fakes or good. Yeah, that's that one. And yes, we are going to be taking we are going to be doing another slime collection with our other slimes. Keisha's there. They're there. And my sister's right there with the unicorn here. They know over there. So, I don't know if you guys can see.